It's time for another episode of In this episode, we'll learn about changes that have been made in the business building to limit the spread of COVID-19. These changes include using specific doorways to enter or exit the building, and using specific stairways to go between floors. To enter the building, you can use the north entrance, the south entrance, both west entrances, and the southeast entrance. To exit the building, you can use all exits in the courtyard and the northeast exit. All exterior doorways are labeled as either an entrance or an exit. Additionally, all stairways are labeled by direction. To go downstairs, use the staircases located in the middle of the building. To go upstairs, use the staircases located on the north and south ends of the building. Stay safe out there, cowboys, and we'll see you next time on